here. You see the layers, you see the curls. So Megalook sent me this wig, y'all. We are doing another 613 with some curls. Now here's the thing, the hair already came curled, but y'all know me, I'm a little bit extra, so I'm gonna just add a few layers, recurl her, and she came out like this. So if you want to learn how to just add some quick layers without doing the whole 9, you don't have to be a cosmetologist, you don't gotta go to hair school just to learn the simple basics, then keep watching. so this is the final look, and can we just yes to the layers? The fact that I didn't even have to do too much because this hair already came curled. I just added layers to my front pieces and literally right behind them, and everything else just does its own thing. Now of course you could go in and do the whole hair, but I just feel like, girl, if they already did most of the work for you, then why would you make it harder for yourself? Okay, period. But anyways, how are we feeling about this look? How are we feeling about these layers, y'all? I feel like they are so easy, and one thing about it, you would never catch me in no curls without no layers, unless they like real long and I'm trying to get that very uniform type of vibe. There's so many different types of layers you can get and so many different type of layered looks. It really just depends on what you like and, you know, your type of vibe. So let me know what y'all think down below in the comments. Like if you like this video, subscribe if you want to see more videos from moi, and I will see you in my next video. Bye y'all.